Na bikana gosengana na injengeri ingenga aje nyumba. Unabona mukaye guchi chief officer ibere. Omushahara bwo mu chief officer no bwo MCA tokorengana. Omu MCA akora kibesa kinge. Omu chief officer akora kibesa kinyinke mono. Ikiane ro gosainia masakaronzi yamangana y'ikibesa. Omwana ogorokwelina koruriana agaria abutire. Bumariba ya. Omo murondo korokwa munyanja nera mwigwetine yaratenenire nchebi na bibiri moko nyorango kana agari bari kurunyari bari tuwe ba deputy governor abutwa moizo nda abachete gocha nende they wanted to impeach the CC administration kuruboge tutu togatene naba MCA 44 togakana mangana ayu na nyasaya aganja tukaibwana togatene omuswado oyu umo waziri ingonderari gazi oseine ere gazi aba MCA abantu baminto nteto kosaba abana inchi baitu ba Kisii County tusimame imara. Mmoja amesema safari bado. Kwa ukweli safari bado kwa sababu wananchi hawajafurahia. Katika Kisii County we have been given a total of almost 20 billion from the national government in the last 2 financial years. Ayeke rogo tarango rore bintu bya 20 billion maigase chiwodi chito gake abantu baminto. Ngora murekenda abantu baminto. And somebody want to intimidate the honorable members of county assembly using the China policies to intimidate the members, to lie to people of Kisii County that their money is used correctly, while we know very well there is nothing that is going on in our wards. Asichinya gitari cheito ngora mura mariogo abantu baminto ekeroko na nyagitari yeri yabe ngo nyorora mariogo roro sune kaigo gochabu mbo ichiriga iga. We have the most incompetent, corrupt, mad governor in the entire country guys. And mimi kama kiongozi ambaye hako ndani ya serikali kuu, we must condemn the thing as it is. It is a bad thing, it is bad luck, it is unfortunate, it is a curse. Na anani goto za wana yenya saa oto igo mondo ya enda 2027 kuanza morebo igo. So watu wa Kisii tutaungana tuweze kusaidia watu wetu wa Kisii County. Ngoweka toro monto itoga igamutuga iga. Balenga